Okay, today we are starting from our exercise. This is the 3.2. Uh, Basically, we do some problems in yesterday sessions, and also we touch our exercise 3.2. Here I'm working from the first one problem, determine whether the following the linear function are the factors of the given polynomials. So first of all, whether the following linear function are the factors. So if we are want to check the factors, suppose that I'm taking on this, I'm working on the D part. This is the Q1 of D part. So our function is what? 2x cube minus 3 of x square plus 4 of x plus 1. And our factor is what? X plus 1. So basically, in yesterday we are also set x plus 1 is equal to 0, and its mean x is equal to, it gives us x is equal to minus 1. So we are setting here, suppose that our let f of x is equal to 2 of x cube minus 3 of x square plus 4 of x plus 1. So here I'm replacing x with minus 1. So I'm putting, this is 2 into minus 1 power 3. This is the minus 3 into 1 power square, and this is the plus 4 into minus 1 and plus 1. And this is, look at it here, minus 1 power 3. Here our power is in odd. I'm telling you, the when the power is in odd, the sign remains. Okay, so minus 1 power 3, it gives us minus 1. So minus 1 multiplied by 2, this gives us the minus 2. And look at it here, when we are multiplying minus 1, so here this is, power is even. When we have the even power, the minus sign is convert into the positive. So it gives us minus 1 square is equal to 1. So 1 multiplied by 3, this gives us the 3. So this is the minus. After this, this is the minus 4, and this is the plus 1. This is the plus 1. Look at it here. If we have the minus 2 and minus 3, this gives us the minus 5 and minus 5. Minus 5 minus 4, this is the minus 9 plus 1 is equal to minus 8. So determine whether the following linear functions are the factors of the given polynomials. So on the behalf of this one, this is not equal to 0. It's mean this is the not factor of that one function. Got it?
Yes, sir.
uh, as you know, when we are setting our factor, our answer will be the f of x is equal to 0. It means our factor is okay, and this is satisfied. But in this problems, we have our answer is minus it, that is not equal to 0. That's why on the behalf of this one, I'm saying that this is the not linear factor of that one. Okay, so here again we are again I'm trying to receive part. Look at it here. This is our C part is suppose that f of x is equal to, here I'm writing, this is the, let f of x is equal to 2 of x cube plus 3 of x square minus 4 of x minus 1, and our factors are x minus 1. Look at it here. Minus 1 is moving to the other side. This gives us the plus 1. So we are setting f of 1 is equal to 2 into 1 power 3. This is 3 into 1 power 2. This is a minus 4 into 1 and a minus 1. Look at it here. 1 power 3 is 1. 2 multiplied by 1. This gives us the 2. And this is the plus of 3. And this is the minus 4 and minus 1. So look at it here. This is 2 plus 3 is what? 5. And this is 5 minus 5. This is equal to 0. Okay. This gives us the equal to 0.
Okay.
It's mean this is our factor. This one factor is our satisfied the condition, and we say that the following linear function is the factor of that one, that given the polynomial function. So on the behalf of this one, this factor is the polynomial factor of that one equations. Got it?
Yeah.
Any confusion regarding this one problem?
No, sir. No.
Okay. Okay, now we are moving to the our next one problems. So basically this is our question 2. Look at it here. Use the factors theorem to find the linear factor of each of the following functions. Then factorize each functions as a product of the three linear factors and sketch the graph. Okay, so I'm doing the first one example, first one problem from the Q2 part. This is the Q2 of A part. Our function is what? Let our f of x is equal to x cube minus 7 of x minus 6. So here we are checking our randomly points. We are picking plus minus 1, we are putting plus minus 2, we are putting plus minus 3, even when we got equal to 0 answer. Because look at it here, here we have the what is it? Use the factor theorem to find the first of all, to find the linear factor each of the following functions, then factorize each of the function as a product of the linear function. After this we are working their factorizations, and after this we are graphing of that one equation. So first of all, our question is what? We want to find the factors. So if we are setting f is equal to 1, this is 1 power 3 1, this is the minus 7, and this is the minus 6. Look at it here, this is 1 minus 13 is equal to minus 12. This is not equal to 0. So here we are setting x is equal to 1. So here this is we skip that point. After this we are working x is equal to minus 1. So f of minus 1, this is equal to minus 1 power 3. This is 7 into minus 1 and minus 6. Look at it here, this is minus 1 power 3, it gives us minus 1. This is minus minus plus 7, and this is the minus 6. Look, minus 1 and minus 6, it gives minus 7, and this is the minus 7 plus 7, this is equal to 0. This is equal to 0. So on the behalf of this one, look at it here, on the behalf of this one, here we have the x is equal to minus 1. So I'm writing the factor, this is, x is plus 1, x plus 1. Why I am writing there that one factor? Look at it here. In previous one, in previous example, look at it here. We are setting x plus 1 is equal to 0 and x is equal to minus 1. So we are taking, this is the rule. If this is the plus 1, we take minus 1. If this is the minus 1, we take plus 1. And here we have the put x is equal to minus 1. It's mean if we are setting x is equal to x is equal to minus 1. So when we are setting, we are moving to the back, this is the x plus 1 is equal to 0. So x plus 1 is the factor of above
Yes, sir.
given equation. Got it?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Now we are working on the other part of this one problem. Then factorize each function of as a product. So here we are working with the another method. This is basically called the synthetic division. So for the synthetic division, before working, we are writing our equation. This is our equation is what? X cube minus 7 of x minus 6. So look at it here, maybe you are studied in previous sessions. This is the x power cube. So check it here. Uh, check it here. Its constant coefficient term is what? 1. After this x cube, the term is missing. X² term is missing. That's why I'm setting 0. After this, we are moving with x term. Look at it here. This is the -7. After this, we are moving to the next one term. This is the constant term. Got it?
Yeah.
So look at it here. This is the this one, and 0 is the for the x here, and this is the -7. This is, and this is the -6. After this, look at it here. This is our x is equal to this is our x is equal to -1. Okay, so x plus 1 is equal to 0. So it gives x is equal to -1. This is the -1. So we are setting here, this is the x is equal to -1. So our first rule is this is as it is. This is moving to the downward as it is. Our second rule is what? We are multiplying both. So 1 multiplied by 1, this is the 1, and this is the minus of 1, so this is -1. Now we add it, so 0 is -1, this gives us -1. Our second step is what? We are multiplying with this one. This is called the synthetic division method. This is called the synthetic division method. This is performed like as the division. So look at it here. Now we are multiplying. Look at it here, we are multiplying with this one. So -1 is multiplying, this is the plus of 1. So this is +1, this gives us the -6. After this, we are multiplying -6 with respect to -1. This gives us the plus of 6. So this is, is 0. Got it?
Yeah.
CK, are you understand it?
Yes, sir. Understanding.
Okay. Now check at it here.
Yes, sir.
This is this and this. We have the 3 terms. And as you know, now we are reducing. This is the method is called the synthetic division. As you know, in our division, our terms, our answers will be the reduced. In multiplications, our answers will be the increased. In this is in division. So we are working on the polynomial of the order 3 or cubic equation. Now after from this one we are making our quadratic equation with the help of this one. This is the 1 of x square, this is the -1 of x, this is the -6. So if I'm rearranging it or some more simplification, this is x square minus x minus 6. And look, again I'm writing the equation from these 3 terms. Understand?
Yeah.
No, you are already know how we solve the quadratic equation. So if I'm writing, this is the -3 of x, this is +2 of x, this is -6 of x. Here I'm using the factorization method. So look at it here. Here we have the common x. X is common. This is x -3, and here this is, we take 2 is common. This is the x -3. So from this one, this is the x -3, and this is the x plus 2. Got it?
Yeah.
So on the behalf of this one, if you are reminding, yesterday we are using the previous one method, like if our factor, uh, if we are like this one, factor is multiplying with the quadratic equation, a of x square plus b of x plus c. Then we are finding a, b, c values of the a, b, c. Then we are putting it back, and then we are finding these one. But this is very long method, and maybe this will be the fail in some conditions, or on some problems maybe this will be the failed. But this is the synthetic division. This is very easy and very short method. Okay, on the behalf of this one, as you know, I am already telling you this, we are dealing with the cubic equation, polynomial of the order 3. So its answer will be the 3. So on the behalf of this one, our one factor is what? Our one factor is x minus 1 is equal to 0, and our second factor is what? X minus 3 is equal to 0, and our third factor is what? X plus 2 is equal to 0. So it gives x is equal to plus 1, it gives x is equal to plus 3, it gives x is equal to minus 2. So on the behalf of these one, we have the three multiple answers, and this is the okay, because we are dealing with the polynomial of the order 3 or cubic equation, and cubic equation always have the three roots or three solutions. Got it?
Yes, sir.
So look at it here. This is our second part. Our second requirement is completed. Factorize each function as a product of the three linear factors. Factorize each. So in multiplication format, we are writing this one. So this is our requirement. Because look at it here, our requirement is what? Each of the following the factors, each for product of three linear factors, product of the three linear factors. Now we are moving to the sketching of graph. As we already discussed in previous sessions, here I'm giving you the some clue points. As you are know, we are making our table. This is our equation is what? Our equation is x cube minus 7 of x minus 6. So here this is our x and this is y. When we are setting x is equal to 0, this gives us the minus 6. When we are setting x is equal to 1, this is 1 minus 7. So this is minus 6 minus 6, this is minus 12. And when we are setting 2, this is 2 power 3, 8, 8 minus 14. 8 minus 14 is minus 6, this is the minus 12. And same for if we are setting minus 1, this is minus 1, this is plus 7. So plus 7 and minus 1, this is 6, and plus 6 and minus 6, this gives 0. Again here we are setting minus 2, and with the help of this one you can make the graph of that uh, cubic equation. Got it?
Yeah.
Okay. Now I'm working on the another example for a better understanding of your polynomials. Look at it here. This is the C part of that one equation.
Understand, sir.
Okay. So look at it here. Just for the synthetic division. No, I'm working on the synthetic division for x cube plus 5 of x square minus x minus 5. But before moving to the synthetic division, there is mandatory. We have the factors, but here we have no factor. At least we have the one factor, and here we have the no factor. That's why we are first we are finding the factors. If we are setting x is equal to plus 1, so this gives us f into 1 is equal to 1 power 3. This is 5 into 1 square. This is minus 1. This is minus 5. So look at it here. This is 1. This is of plus 1, this is minus 1, this is minus 5. Or this is very easy. If plus minus 5 plus 5 cancel, minus 1 plus 1 cancel. So it gives us 0. Got it? So on the behalf of this one, x minus 1 is equal to 0. X minus 1 is the factor. Got it, CK?
Yes. Yeah.
Okay, now we are drawing the synthetic division. Here we have the there is the coefficient is what 1. Here we have the x square term, then this is the 5, and then we have the x term, this is minus 1, and this is the minus 5. Now we are working, this is the our x is equal to what? This is our x is equal to, look at it here, this is x is equal to 1, so we are setting, and our first rule is what? First term is as it is, then we are multiplying to each of them. So 1 multiplied by 1, this gives us 1. So 1 plus 5, this is 6. And then we are multiplying 1 multiplied by 6, this is the 6. And this gives us 6 minus 1, this is the plus 5. So when we are multiplying 1 multiplied by 5, this is the plus 5. And this is the 0. Got it? Okay. On the
Yeah.
on the behalf of this one, I'm writing x square plus 6 of x plus 5. Okay. Now we are making our factors.
Okay.
now we are making the factors. So this is the x here, this is plus x, this is 5 of x, this is plus 5. So this is taking x as a common, this is x plus 1, and from this we are taking 5 as common. So x plus 1, and now we are taking x plus 1 is common, so this is the x plus 1, and this is the cubic equation. Here we have the three factors, three polynomial factors, so our third one polynomial factor is x minus 1. So basically if I'm making the summary or graphical in graphical format, here we have the cubic equations. Cubic equation, first we are finding the finding the factor. First, we are finding the factor, our first step. Then we reduced it from cubic to quadratic equations. Then from your third step to solve the quadratic equation. Here you have, we have the three basic methods of the quadratic equation. First one is formula method, minus 4ac over 2a. Second is completing square, as we already discussed in previous chapters, and third one step is factors. But most probability we are using factors. Okay, most probability we are using
Yeah.
the factors. Got it?
Yes, sir.
So this is the summary. In this manner, many students can be they feel easiness. If many students can be the confused if they are not making the proper summary. If you are making the proper summary before solving the any problems, uh, what is the summary? Basically, first step is you will you will read your statement and then understand it deeply. After this, you just think you can make the sketch. We are here and now we are using this one method and we are following this one path, and we will reach at this point after this some simplifications or some calculations. So this is the summary is very important. Look at it here in our above problems. Here I'm making the summary for your cubic equation to solve the cubic equation. So first of all, we are find the factors, then we reduce it. After this, we are solving the quadratic equations. Got it?
Yeah.
Okay. Now, for the next one problems, we are working on the fourth one problems. So our fourth one problem is, sorry, our third one problem. Factorize each of the following functions completely. So I will give you the time at the end of the lectures. You can make the some practice by hand. Okay, got it, CK? So look at it here. Our first of all, q third of a. This is our function is what, x cube plus x square plus x plus 1. So factorize each of the following functions completely. Factorize of the each of the following function is completely. If we are taking x square is common, so this is x square, this is the x plus 1, so this is the plus 1, this is our x plus 1. Look at it here, check it. Our factorization method is okay on the behalf of this one. So our again we are taking x plus 1 as common. This is the x square plus 1. Got it? So This is our
Yeah.
x plus 1 is equal to 0. Look at it here. This is our x square plus 1. So x is equal to minus 1 is equal to 0. So, we can't find the factors with the help of the factorization. So we are using our quadratic formula. A is equal to 1, B is equal to 0, and C is equal to minus 1. So our formula is what? Minus B plus minus B square minus 4AC divided by 2 of A. So look at it here. This is the B is equal to 0. So this is 0 plus minus. So 0 also here. This is 0. This is minus 4A of C. This is the minus 1, and this is 2 of A. Look at it here. This is the 0 plus minus. This is, minus minus is plus 4. This is over plus of 4. 1, yeah, this is the plus 4. Okay, so this is the plus minus, 4 under root is equal to 2 divided by 2. This is cancel out. So this gives us the plus minus 1. So here is the our one answer is x is equal to minus 1, and our second is and third answer is what? X is equal to plus 1, and x is equal to again minus 1. Got it, see?
Yes, sir.
Look at
Yeah.
it here. Again, this one problem. Is there any confusion regarding this one problem?
No, sir.
Okay, okay. At the end of the lecture, I will give you the time to solve it, more problems by your hand. Okay, but
Yeah.
before of this one, we are working the our. Okay, so we are working on the Q4. L- So Q4 is for what value of the A? So basically, I'm writing the data for what value. It's mean we want to find the A. Our factor. Our factor is what?
Yeah.
X minus 2 of a linear equation. So our equation is what? Equation is x square minus 2a of x plus 4. Here we have solved this problem by two methods. First of all, method 1, using the synthetic division. After this is totally up to you which one method you are using. Okay, so your and this is our equation is what? Our equation is here x cube. Sorry, this is the x cube minus 2 a of x. Yeah, minus 2 of a of x. This is 4. So look at it here. This is the 1. After this, x square is our 0, and this is minus 2, and this is our 4, and this is x minus 2. X minus 2 is equal to 0. It when minus 2 is moving to the other side. So this is x is equal to plus 2. So this is the 2, and this one is as it is, and we are multiplying 2 multiplied by 1. This is the 2, and this is 2 as it is. Now we are multiplying 2 with respect to 2. This is the 2 multiplied by 2. This is the 4, and here this gives us the 4 minus 2a. After this, you are we are multiplying 2 of this one, and also this one we are multiplying with this one. So look at it here. This is the 2, 8 minus 4 of a. So 8 plus 4, this is the 12 minus 4 of a. This is, look at it here. This term is called,
Yes.
the remainder. In previous problems we have the remainder is 0. That's why that this is the okay, but here we have not equal to 0. So we are taking this one. This is the 12 minus 4 of a, and equal to 0. We are setting let a is equal to this one, this equation. So from here, this is the 12 is equal to 4 of a. When we are moving minus 4 to the other side of this one equation, so look at it here. After this, we are dividing on the 4. on both sides. This 4 is cancelled, this and this is the 3. So this gives us A is equal to 3. Got it?
Yes.
Okay. Now I'm moving to the method 2. Same problems, but we are doing method 2. So our function is f of x is equal to what? We have the x cube minus 2a of x plus 4, and our factor is what? X is equal to 2. As you know, we have the x is equal to 2. So simply we are setting x is equal to 2. This is f of 2 is equal to 2 power 3 and minus 2a of 2. Here we are using the factorized theorem. Here we are using, as we already know that when we are putting our factors, our answer will be the equal to the 0, equal to the 0. Then we are saying that this factor is okay. But here, if we are moving to the our above one problems, look at it here. uh, we are not proving that x minus 2 is the factor of that one equation. Our examiner, our question is telling us x minus 2 is the factor of that one equation. We are not proving, but in our previous one examples, our previous one problems, we are proving this is the factor, or we are finding the factor, which one factor. But here we have the factors. Here we have the in question 4 we have the factor, and we are not proving this is the factor of that one equation. The Our question is contained that x minus 2, or said that x minus 2 is the factor of that one equation. It's mean he has said, he's saying that it's mean this is okay, and we will follow this one instruction. Okay. So that's why on the behalf of this one I'm writing it equal to 0. And this is 2 power 3, this is the 8 minus 4 of a, this is the 4 is equal to 0. So look at it here. 8 plus 4, this is equal to what? 12 minus 4 of a is equal to 0. So this is the 12 is equal to minus 4 is moving to the other side. This is the 4 of a. So this is divided by 4. This is divided by 4. Look at it here. This is 3. So this is a is equal to 3. Got it?
Yeah.
So is there any confusion regarding this one problems? Here basically we want to find the value of the a. Got it?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Now we are moving our the last second last problem of that one exercise. This is the exercise 3.2, and look at it here. For what value of the c? It's been in our Q5. We are finding the c, and here we are. This is the factor of that one equation. So our equation is what? F of x is equal to 2 of x cube plus c of x square minus 4 of x minus 6. So by the way, from the above, we are solving our question with respect to with the help of method 1 and method 2. So which one method is easy for you, or which one method you are prefer, or you feel this is the best for you? Method 1 or method 2?
Method 1, sir.
Okay, method 1, the synthetic division. Okay, very nice. Here I'm working with the our method 2 for your more understanding. Look at it here. Our 2 of x plus 3 is equal to 0. So this is 2 of x is equal to minus 3, though. So x is equal to minus 3 by 2. And we are setting f into minus 3 by 2 is equal to 2 into minus 3 by 2 power 3. This is c into minus 3 by 2 of square. This is 4 into minus 3 by 2 and minus 6. So here we are setting equal to 0 using the factor theorem. We are using the factors theorem. So on the behalf of this one, look at it here. This is the 2 into So 3 power 3 is equal to minus 27 divided by 8. And this is the plus c, and you know this is the minus square, this is the 9 by 4, and minus minus is plus 4 into 3 by 2 minus 6. This is equal to 0. If I'm removing this one equality sign, this is okay. So from here, this is 2 4, and this is the 2 multiply. Here I'm doing some simplification. So this is the minus 27 by 4, and this is c into 9 over 4, and this is the 3 multiplied by 2, this is 6, and minus 6 equal to 0. So minus 6 plus 6 is cancel out. Got it?
Yeah.
Okay, now from the here, this is our c into 9 by 4 is equal to, this is the minus term, and this is moving to the other side of the equation. So it gives us 27 by 4. This is the minus term, this is the plus term. Okay, got it? Now
Yes, sir.
look at it here. This is our 9 by 4. We are moving to the other side. So here, this is the multiplying term, and to the other side, this will be the converted into the 4 over 9. Can you understand how I writing it? 9 over 4 is
Yes,
what?
sir. I understand.
Okay, look at it here. Again, I'm explaining you. C is multiplying with 9 by 4. When we are moving to the other side, this is like this format. So this is the 37 by 4 and divided by 9 by 4. And in general, we are moving to the other side. We are moving to the top side. So it will be the shift or converted nominator to the denominator and denominator to the nominators. Okay, so this is 4 is cancelled, and this one is 3, and this is the 9. Look at it here. This is the 3, and this is 1, and this is so from here, c is equal to 3. We are finding the value of the c. Okay.
Yeah.
So is there any confusion from this one problem? Look at
No,
it
sir.
here.
No, sir.
Okay. Okay. Again, check it. Here we are using the theorem, factor theorem, and we are finding the unknown values, and how we can find the unknown of these values with the help of that one method. We are using the we are setting the our cubic equation equal to 0, because in these problems our examiner, our question can set that, can conditionize that this is the factor of that one equation. So here we are not proving that. Okay.
Okay.
Okay, please rejoin.
Okay, sir. I will. Thank you.